Hey folks, it's Russ Fi. Today is Tuesday, July 16th, 2024. Hope you're having a great day. I'm heading over to the soap shop today, pack up some orders. I got to cut the lawn over there, take care of a few things, but I thought I'd jump on here and do a little video on my ride over. So somewhere around this video, depending on what platform you're watching it on, there's going to be a link, and it's going to go to a free 7-step crypto trading currency boot camp. All right, so you're going to learn to trade cryptocurrency the right way. All right, and the person behind this, Justin Clark, he is a cryptocurrency genius. Okay, he's been in the space for a long time. He knows what he's talking about. He founded icoinpro in 2017, and when Coinbase wanted to update their platform, their trading platform, they called Justin in to help with that. Okay. And all the suggestions that Justin recommended to Coinbase, they implemented into their new platform. So this is 100% legit. It's, you don't have to worry about rug pulls or anything like that. Like I said, it's been in business since 2017. However, they just recently, at the end of June, they launched a brand new Powerline marketing system and a new compensation plan, which is on fire, okay? So the cool thing about icoinpro and this, the trading boot camp is that you can learn. You don't have to know anything about cryptocurrency to make this work, all right? In fact, I joined this back on the 8th, 8 days ago. And if you would have asked me the day before, on the 7th, if I was interested in learning how to trade cryptocurrency, I would have told you absolutely not. But my marketing friend who's been in this for a while now, shared this with me. I checked it out, and it was a no-brainer, okay? Not only because it's super easy to, learn how to trade. The way that Justin has this laid out, it's super easy to learn how to do this the right way and be in profit, okay? Justin has a 97% win rate in trading cryptos, all right? And that doesn't mean that you're going to have that, but if you follow what Justin, the training, and implement it and apply it, you're going to have success with this, all right? Because you learn how to trade and make micro profits. So, say you had $1,000 balance in your account, you're not going to be trading that entire $1,000 and put that entire amount of money at risk, okay? You're going to do small trades where you can earn 1 to 10% on average, all right? And then you learn how to compound those. So we have people coming into this, and within two to 3 months, they're doing this full time. All right, that's how powerful this is. And of course, I got to put in my earnings disclaimer. There's no guarantee you're going to make any money with this opportunity. It's totally dependent on your work ethic. It's totally dependent on you following the training and then applying the training. All right, but if you do that, you can make this work. You can build this into an empire. Now, the other side of that is that it also has an awesome compensation plan. All right, there's an affiliate program attached to this, a network marketing program, whatever you want to call it. All right, you can earn money by sharing this opportunity with other people. So what happens is you have some people that come in here like myself, and I'm learning how to trade cryptocurrencies the right way. I'm also sharing the opportunity with other people, and I'm making money both ways. All right, now you can come in here if you just want to learn how to trade cryptocurrency and not worry about the business part of it. All right, we have a lot of people that do that. You can come in here and not worry about learning how to trade cryptocurrencies, but learning how, but sharing the opportunity with other people. That's fine too. We have a lot of people that do it that way. I'm just deciding to do it both ways. Why wouldn't you want to make the most money possible? All right, that's how I look at it. So if you click on that link down below or up above or wherever you see the link around this video, like I said, depends on what platform you're watching it on, you'll be taken over to a page where there's a short video. Watch that video, fill out the form, click send me to the boot camp, and then you're going to get 8 different videos, all right? There's 7 training videos and a bonus video. And these training videos show you exactly how everything works, how everything is set up, and how you can start trading in a very short time, okay? The videos inside the training are just a few minutes each. You can go through the entire training in less than a half hour, and you'll just see how powerful this is. This is the exact same training that I went through when when my friend shared this with me, and I'm so excited and happy that I did, because you know, learning to trade cryptocurrency, that's a skill. All right. So nobody's going to be able to take that skill away from me once I have it. And cryptocurrency isn't going anywhere. You know, the news media, they're full of propaganda. You know, they make people scared of cryptocurrency, but it's not going anywhere. Cryptocurrency is every day, it's being accepted in more and more places. You know, like I said in previous videos, you can buy Rolls Royces, you can buy Bentleys, you can buy Ferraris, you can buy homes in some cases with Bitcoin now. So it's not going anywhere. This is going to be a skill set that you have. Once you have it, you're going to be able to have it for life. You're going to be able to earn money wherever you are, as long as you have an internet connection and a cell phone. And it's, you know, the sky's the limit. The sky's the absolute limit with this. So if you have any questions about any of this, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. Click that link down below or up above. Get started. Go through the cryptocurrency trading boot camp and just see how simple this is for yourself. All right. It's a proven system. It's by somebody who is, you know, has very, 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 oh, what's the right word? Has a very good reputation, an excellent reputation in the crypto world. And you don't have to worry about scams or rug pulls or anything like that. This is 100% legit. And I'm happy and honored to be a part of it. So if you have any questions, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.